Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Fall Guys error 2001040 error. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is flushdns settings. To do this, we run cmd as administrator. Here is some code we need to write. I will put these codes in the description section. If you want, you can copy and paste from there to cmd so that you don't have to write. We are done with cmd. Now you can restart your computer and check if the error is solved or not. If the error is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to verify Fall Guys files. To do this, we open Epic Games. Then we click Library. Type Fall Guys in the search bar on the right. After doing this, we click on the three dots next to our game and click on Verify. We have verified the files of our game. Now you can open the game and check if the error is solved or not. If the error is not solved, we will move on to our third solution. Our third solution is to change our DNS. To do this, we enter the control panel. After doing this, we click on View Network Status and Tasks. Here we click on the network we are connected to. Then click Properties. We double-click on IPv4 and tick Use the following DNS server addresses. We set the first bar to 8888 and the second bar to 8844. We changed our DNS. Now you can open Fall Guys and check if the error is solved or not. Before I end the video, there is one last solution that I would like to mention. Some people have solved this error by logging out of their Epic Games account and logging back into their account. You can also try to solve this error by logging out of your account and logging in again. We have come to the end of the video. I hope these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.